Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on WhatsApp wallpaper motion on iPhone. So for you to be able to turn WhatsApp wallpaper motion, here's how you can get it done. You click on your WhatsApp. Once you have it open on your WhatsApp, you have your WhatsApp open on your iPhone, then you click on the gear button. Once you have it, then you scroll down a little and click on chat. Then you click on chat wallpaper, and from here you can choose the custom wallpaper in between the three options, which is the light, the dark, then the solid. I'm just going to go for the dark right now. Then once I'm done, then I'm just going to click on this. Then from here, right here, I can simply turn on the motion option for the wallpaper. So once the motion is on, right now, whenever you are in chat and you bend your phone a little, or you just try and slant your phone, you notice that the kind of motion that moves along with the movement of your phone when the motion